We can increase our scope of selflessness beyond our family by serving our community, city, or even nation. Our relationships are stronger when they are contain a spiritual component. There are three different ways to become good friends with someone. The sands of time slow for no man. Things change for better and for worse, but what we choose to perceive is up to us. Always seeing the best in people and choosing to avoid their faults. Work for a cause, not for applause. Live your life to express, not to impress. Meditation can help us embrace our worries, our fear, our anger, and that is very healing. We let our own natural capacity of healing do the work. We should deal with each other sensitively. Our attitude towards life affects how we act in our relationship. When things are beyond our control and there is nothing you can do, why worry? Watch your character, it turns into your destiny. It all begins with a thought. Self discipline is about taking charge of your mind and directing it to act in the best interest of yourself. Speaking less and doing more. It is the art of daring, caring, and sharing. Anyone can find the dirt in someone. Be the one that finds the gold. It is the strange that sword and word have the same letters. Even more strange is that they have the same effect if not handled properly. If you truly want to know how rich you are, drop a tear and see how many hands came to wipe that tear. To accept someone when everything is going right is easy, but when things are falling apart around you and you stick together, that's the test of a relationship. Love is when we have every reason to break up, but we do not.